Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Car air conditioning, AC, systems are a vital feature for comfort, especially during scorching summers or long drives. The basics of car air conditioning. A car's AC system operates on the principle of heat exchange, transferring heat from inside the vehicle to the outside. It uses a closed-loop system filled with refrigerant, a special fluid that changes states, liquid to gas and back, to absorb, transfer, and dissipate heat. The system cycles the refrigerant through various components to cool the air blown into the cabin. This process not only cools but also dehumidifies, ensuring the air feels crisp and comfortable. Key components of the car AC system. Compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system, often called the pump, that drives the refrigerant through the system. Powered by the engine via a belt, it compresses the gaseous refrigerant, increasing its pressure and temperature. This high-pressure gas then flows to the next component. The compressor engages when you turn on the AC, and a clutch ensures it only runs when needed, saving energy. Condenser. The condenser, located at the front of the car near the radiator, acts like a mini radiator for the refrigerant. It receives the hot, high-pressure gas from the compressor and cools it by releasing heat to the outside air. As air flows over the condenser's fins, aided by the car's movement or a cooling fan, the refrigerant condenses into a high-pressure liquid, ready for the next stage. Receiver dryer or accumulator. The receiver dryer, or accumulator in some systems, is a small storage unit that filters and stores the liquid refrigerant. It removes moisture and debris from the refrigerant to prevent corrosion or blockages in the system. The receiver dryer also contains a desiccant to absorb any water, ensuring the system runs smoothly and efficiently. Expansion valve or orifice tube. The expansion valve or orifice tube regulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. It reduces the pressure of the liquid refrigerant, causing it to cool rapidly as it enters the evaporator. This component ensures the right amount of refrigerant flows, maintaining optimal cooling performance. The expansion valve is adjustable in some systems, while the orifice tube is a fixed restriction. Evaporator. The evaporator, located inside the car's dashboard, is where the cooling magic happens. The low-pressure, cold refrigerant absorbs heat from the cabin air as it passes over the evaporator's coils. A blower fan pushes air through these coils, cooling and dehumidifying it before sending it into the cabin. The refrigerant, now warmed and gaseous, returns to the compressor to restart the cycle. How it all comes together. When you turn on the AC, the compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, sending it to the condenser to release heat. The cooled liquid refrigerant passes through the receiver dryer, then the expansion valve, where it becomes cold and low pressure. In the evaporator, it absorbs cabin heat, cooling the air blown into the car. The cycle repeats, maintaining a comfortable temperature. The system also relies on sensors, switches, and a control unit to monitor pressure and temperature, ensuring efficiency and preventing damage. Why it matters to car users. Understanding the AC system helps drivers maintain it properly. Regular checks for refrigerant leaks, clogged condensers, or worn belts can prevent costly repairs. A well-maintained AC system ensures comfort, improves air quality, and enhances driving pleasure, making it a feature every car user values. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.